Two-way travel back in the Yacht Club again. This time we are on the MSC Seaside, room 18002. Once you enter, you have some closets on the right-hand side, plenty of room to hang your clothes, or that'd be your wife's space if you're in my case. Plenty of closet space, two doors, plenty of hangers. On the left-hand side is a spacious bathroom. Again, you have the glass doors, no plastic curtains. This one did have a bench and the rainforest shower fall, as well as the wand. Plenty of counter space in there. When you walk in to the bedroom area, big bed, a lot of space around it. You have your countertops. In my case, they left me a bottle of Jack Daniels on the counter, as always. Um, as you move through there, on the left-hand side, we had a couch. Right-hand side, your safety video is playing on the TV. Your left-hand lower cabinet has your mini bar in it. You can have your butler change that out to whatever you would like in it. I usually have Angry Orchards and glass bottles of Coke put in there. To the left of that, again, you have another closet, which would be yours in my case. Some drawers in there and a safe. Then you step out onto the patio. It is a good sized patio. You got two chairs and a small little table or footrest, however you choose to use it. And we're coming back in, and there's the lovely Marcia from Two Away Travel. Make sure you contact her with all your questions and needs.